How to fix Sage Bank mobile app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in the app name, Chase, and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're gonna see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Now scroll down, navigate to the option of general, head over to the option of iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Now from here, find the app Chase. After you find it, open it. Then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of installation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If these two solutions doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on the option of Delete app. With that, you'll get the pop-up. Click on Delete for the confirmation. The app will be deleted. Then you can close this. Launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Chase. After app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Chase Bank mobile app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.